Hello, I'm Nicholas, and today I'm showing you how to make a Balsa Wood Glider. This project is simple, easy, and most importantly, it's real cheap. Balsa wood is really cheap. Of all the materials here, it's only going to cost a few dollars. I'm an aerospace engineering student, so if anything, I'm overqualified to do this. Well, maybe. I've done it a few times before, so that's what's important. But anyways, let's get right into this. Here is a simple program called ARI32. It's free to download as long as you can get through all the scam links. And there's a lot of them. But don't worry, if you manage to get through without breaking your computer, you'll have this. Now, it seems extremely simple at first, but if you go through, you'll see many parameters that you can change to change the shape of your glider. And if you click up here, it'll even analyze to see if your craft will fly. Despite the odd shape of this design, this will fly, as long as they tape a penny to the nose. And that is what I'll be building for you today. Now, move on to the next step. Here you see all the ingredients needed to make your glider. In addition to this, you may need a ruler to measure out your measurements, as a ruler does, and a pen to mark out those measurements. Who knew, huh? But anyways, this is balsa wood. It's good to have nice thin balsa wood for the wings and then a nice sturdy stick for the fuselage. But remember, this is balsa wood. Don't accidentally buy base wood, because it might feel similar, but it's a lot heavier. You won't get as good as the plane, trust me. After some quick measuring and cutting, we're ready to put it all together into the final plane. Next step is some sandpapering. If you have any rough edges, keeps it all nice and aerodynamic. Scratchy, scratchy. And here is our beautiful finished product, complete with coin duct tape straight onto the nose. Now, it's about time we give this thing a test. Fly! And that's how you make a balsa wood glider. Don't forget to like and subscribe.